I'm going to shut your door, okay? Alright. I'm going to shut your door. There we go. I got the door shut. I'm going to come in. I'm going to come in and see how everybody's doing. Is everybody doing okay in there? I can see the guinea babies up in there. I wonder if I can get the flash going. Or the light. Oh, it won't let me do it like that. Let me go back in. Ooh. Alright, how many we got up in there? My gosh, look at those guinea babies. They're getting big. They're all up in there. A little too big with the others. Hey, guinea babies. How many we got up in there? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 guinea babies. Alright. Well, I'm going to go in. I'm coming in. Alright. I got my light on, so I'm going to check on everybody. And there's 4 duckies. Oh, look at all these babies. Look at the chickies up in here. I see the guineas up there. I know, my light's so bright. Look at that. I think that mama's been sitting on those eggs for days. Yeah, I know, my lights are bright. I'm sorry. I got 3 eggs right there. How's those babies doing? You got food in there? Okay. I know. I'll come out here and I'll just bother everybody, don't I? Yeah, look at them. Got their backs turned to me up there. Yeah. And the duckies. Duckies. Alright, well, looks like everybody's here. What are you doing over there? Are you posing? Are you gonna take care of my hog? Okay, I don't see any critters in here. I see a tire that's got like stuff all over it. That's why I wear my rubber boots. Huh? So what have you been doing? Huh? Oh, okay. Oh, you don't like my bright light? Oh, okay. Alrighty. Let me look down there, see if there's anything down in there. Alright, well, I'm going to get out of here and leave all you babies alone. Is that the rooster? Yeah, it's the rooster. Okay. Alright. Well, I'm going to get out of here. Y'all have a good night, okay? Sleep tight, and I'll see you babies. I'll see all you ladies tomorrow. Yeah, I'll see all you ladies. You too, guinea birds. You too, guinea birds. Look at them up in there. All stuck up in there. Guineas they have a different personality than the other birds. Alright, say goodnight. Talk to you later, alligators. Okay.